This is practice problem number 3 from lesson 3, balanced moves, and unit 4, linear equations and linear systems. And this is a revised version of practice problem number 3. In this problem, you're given this equation, 2x plus 6 equals 3x minus 8, and asked what Andre did in his first step to end up with this second equation, and what did Diego do in his first step to end up with this second equation. First of all, I'm going to change that subtracting a positive 8 to adding a negative 8. So Diego's result is 6 equals x plus a negative 8. And notice that Andre's result is a negative 8 right here. So how does that become a negative 8? We'll see. So Andre's equation no longer has this 3x here. So he removed the 3x from the right side. Diego's equation no longer has this 2x on the left side. So he removed the 2x from the left side. To remove the 3x from the right side, Andre added a negative 3x to both sides. Remember, you have to do the same thing to both sides to keep it balanced. So if I add a negative 3x plus 2x on the left side, and I add a negative 3x plus 3x on the right side, a negative 3x plus 2x is a negative 1x. And in this case, this negative x right here is the same as a negative 1x. And on the right side, 3x plus a negative 3x, this is the additive inverse of 3x. When you add them together, they equal 0. So this becomes just a negative 8 on the right side. I could write this as 0 plus negative 8, and then it becomes negative 8. Diego added negative 2x to both sides. Again, to keep them balanced, you have to add the same thing to both sides. So he is adding the additive inverse of 2x, which is a negative 2x. So 2x plus a negative 2x equals 0. And 3x plus a negative 2x equals 1x. So Diego ends up with 6 equals 1x plus negative 8. Remember, this 1x is just the same as x. And so 6 equals x plus negative 8. And again, I could have written 0 plus 6 right here. And then this is 6 for this last step.